Finally, a shortcut that saves time and promotes good workmanship. Bridgesport's Mighty Align slip connectors, a patented connector that makes it easy to install EMT between panels and equipment. So come on, let's get started. Bridgesport's Mighty Align slip connector features steel zinc-plated construction, tri-drive screws, and the important sight window to ensure proper conduit engagement for good equipment grounding and bonding. Bridgesport's steel slip connectors are UL listed and available in 3/4, 1, 2, 3, and 4-inch straight sizes. To install, set the standard connector into one knockout. Expand the slip connector Notice the conduit end visible in the sight window. Set your tri-drive screws, and your installation's complete. As you can see, positioning and fitting EMT in between enclosures and tight confined spaces couldn't be easier with Bridgesport's Mighty Align steel slip connectors.